Walang kahit na anong special na araw ngayon kung hindi last day of session na kailangan tapusin ang dapat tapusin.
Sir, for this day, sir, may pag-uusap with SP ng mga possible preparation, sir?
Wala. Zero.
Too excited, you're a court. You're a court. You should not show any excitement or any emotion or ano. So, normal lang tayo. Normal lang. Relax lang.
Sir, daw against this. May narinig ba kayo
Wala rin ako narinig.
Walang ganung usapan.
Lalo na yung code, di kailangan ng session before mag-code, di wala na.
Di parang nga daw to counter, ang ilagay yung medyo friendly force kay...
Junto na rin. Whatever coup, kung meron man junto na yan na mangyayari, hindi na ngayon. Wala, imposible. Expected rin. I've been expecting that to happen.
Bakit, sir? Bakit?
Nakikita ko na kanilang effort na talaga to impeach sa Bibisar.
Walang kahit na anong special na araw ngayon kung hindi last day of session na kailangan tapusin ang dapat tapusin.
Sir, for this day, sir, may pag-uusap with SP ng mga possible preparation, sir?
Wala. Zero.
Pero sir, yung rules, pwede siyang gawin even during the break?
It has to be decided upon plenary action yan. You can paikot or discuss about it among yourselves and then promulgate it in the plenary.
Pero some scholars were saying,
Guys, even the referral takes a plenary action, okay? I'm sure you guys are aware of that.
So, ibig sabihin, you will not be able to act on it kung naka-join kayo. Kailangan...
Walang plenary.
Sir? So,
Walang plenary, so yeah.
So, walang
How?
plenary, so hindi nyo ma-actionan yun kung isa
The rules?
na naka-join na kayo.
The rules or whatever it is again, there has to be a plenary action, okay?
So kung hindi ma-actionan sa plenary, hindi pwedeng action, hindi makakapag-impeachment trial. Possible yun.
Lahat ng gagawin namin, even the declaration of the senators sitting as an impeachment court, kailangan ng plenary action.
pero
Diba?
sir, some scholars were saying na kahit ng Senado, kayo ang role nyo bilang senador, pero when it comes to impeachment, may special role kayong ginagampanan. So, kahit naka-adjourn, you can continue.
Nasa constitution ho, tama.
Yeah.
Pero again, it is the plenary action that would give us the go signal na we can, parang di ba pagka nagbe-break tayo, kahit committee hearings lang, kailangan banggitin mo doon sa plenaryo na ito ay ino-authorize ng bawat miyembro ng
So, pwedeng mag-continue
Senado.
sa susunod na Senado?
Yeah.
Is that what you mean? Kung halimbawa matapos
All things being again, it's so hard for me to speak on just ito anticipation na po pwede mangyari, etc.
Sa session mamaya na mag-reconvene kayo after ng itong kailangan may mag-move na mag-reconvene kayo.
If it is filed and it is in the reference of business na sa agenda, automatic naman yun, di ba, na babasahin.
Yes, sir.
So, automatic din yun na i-refer. Di ba? And then if it is referred to a particular committee, the committee chair would act, whether it's rules or committee on justice, etc. You know? And there will be a motion. Siyempre, na... Pero yan, ang haba ng... Tingnan nyo ha. Kung magmo-motion, kunyari si RG na i-convene kami as a court, pwede kong tanongin, RG, meron na ba tayong rules? How do you decide on quorum? Meron ba? Wala ata eh. Pagka disposition of motions, yung mga yan, you have to talk about it, di ba? Again, ang hirap na anticipate na. Sir, meron tayong schedule today, may agenda tayo today, may mga ipapasa kaming third reading
Mahaba
today.
yung agenda nyo today, sir.
Yung third reading, madami.
In short, hindi kaya today.
Hindi ko masasabi yan, I'm not the entire Senate. Assessment. Kaya kami dito, ayaw naming sirain yung pag-iisip namin sa aming focus ngayon kung ano yung nasa agenda namin, and we are not going to anticipate anything na baka bumagsak ang buwan mamaya or mabiyak yung lupa at saan tayo pupunta, nasang evacuation center. Alam naman namin yung gagawin, na alam namin may evacuation center pag nangyari yun. Pero hindi namin pagtutuunan ng pansin na kailangan siguruhin ko na air condition yung tutulugan ko sa evacuation center o walang lamok. Hindi yun ang scenario ngayon.
Sir, dahil ba wala sa agenda, it means hindi posible. Dahil po wala sa agenda, that means hindi siya masasabi or matatransmit sa session mamaya. O pwede niyong ipasok?
Sometimes kahit wala sa agenda, if you recall, the majority there will say the motion, the guy who's with the permission of the body, etc. Diba? Kasi wala nga. Because at any point in time, pag may tinakal ka sa floor, diba, na wala sa agenda, you can raise a point of order anytime.
Pero sir, di ba technically, pwede kayong mag-session hanggang Friday?
Technically, yeah.
Pwede.
If we don't adjourn, but siguro ang question ko din, bakit ba ngayon, how long did it take in the House ba? If, again, anticipating, ayan, hindi ko alam. Kaya ang hirap pag-comment, ang hirap puro anticipate mo kung ganito. Kaya mahirap eh. So,
Kapag andyan na.
yeah, better kung nandyan na. Mas marami tayong siguro masasabi kung nandyan na or ano pa yung... Lahat possible eh. Lahat subject to be questioned by anybody, any sector of the society. The scholars were saying, binabanggit kanina ni ma'am, pwede kayong convene as an impeachment court during the break. Merong pwede, merong hindi. Bakit sabihin hindi? I can give you all the arguments, both sides. I can talk about it. But again, it's useless for me to say this. And it's very hard. You have to understand, on my part, I'll be sitting as a judge. I cannot make any comment na pabor o hindi pabor sa kanino mang kampo.
Sir, offhand lang, just in case lang naman matuloy yung transmit na can you walk us through kahit konti lang?
Just in case matuloy. Anticipating kung matuloy yung hindi ko alam kung matutuloy nga.
Yes sir. But isang una yung gagawin, sir, ay dapat ma-plansya muna yung rules.
Ang unang gagawin, pag-uusapan kung isasama to sa reference of business. I think that's the first step. Di ba?
Pero sir, ano po general sentiment ng...
I cannot speak for my colleagues. And again, if it is impeachment, as much as possible, we don't want to talk about it.
Pero sir,
especially anticipating whatever scenarios, no?
And you can only convene the impeachment court if ma-refer nyo mamaya sa... ma-refer sa session, sir. Sa plenary. Sabi nyo plenary action, sir, diba?
Sige na, pagbibigyan ko kayo, ha? Final, dinala. Nasa agenda ba ngayon? Wala. Ilalagay ba sa reference of business o hindi? Pag nalagay sa reference of business, another step, babasahin ba? Pag binasa ba, saan dadalhin? Ni-refer ba? Saan ni-refer? Di ba ganun yung process? Process. Parang kaya nyo ako tinatanong dahil PhD na ako sa impeachment when I was in the House. Process, iba yung sa House, iba yung rules ng House, iba yung sa Senate, di ba? And when you look at the rules in the Senate, napakagandang topic yan kasi masalimuot yan, mahaba yan, iba yan. You're sitting as an impeachment court if ever it is going to happen, di ba? So, mahaba yan. Tinitignan ko kanina yung rules. Parang form lang yung nandun, ha? Walang laman whatsoever. Remember nung time ni Senator Pimentel, di ba sinabi niya, nag-hearing tayo dito as an impeachment court. Hindi pa pala kompleto tong rules natin, ang daming kulang.
Pero hindi ba magiging guide yung naging experience nyo in the Corona trial?
It's some sort of a guide, precedence, etc. But again, mahirap mag-isip ng ganyan kung hindi naman natin parang pinangungunahan natin yung events na possible na mangyari. Ang sinasabi ko lang is that itong mga nakaraan and in history, even the rules ng impeachment, kailangan balangkasin ng mabuti.
So sir, kailangan ika-craft pa yung rules specific for these
Did you see the rules? Masyadong general.
So,
some were
Senator, ibig
saying-
sabihin kailangan ng bagong rules kasi ang sa nakaraan, presidente, tsaka
Chief Justice.
So this time, Vice President. So kailangan ng bagong rules?
Again, pangungunahan natin ang Senado pagka nagsalita ako. Siguro, kung gusto nyo, off the record nyo kasi para ayokong pangunahan ng mga kasama natin. Ang point ko lang is, na kasya ang 1,000 kalabaw dun sa rules of impeachment right now. That's my comment.
Pero sa ngayon,
Well, hindi natin po pwedeng pangunahan kung ano man ang mangyayari at hindi tayo si Nostradamus at hindi rin ako naniniwala sa hulaan. So, tayo bilang parte ng Senado, we're just ready to do our part and perform our duties and responsibilities. Yan yung sinumpaan naming tungkulin bilang mga senador ng Republika ng Pilipinas. So, whatever it is, ano man ang kailangan namin gawin bilang representatives of the people, senators of the people, yun ang gagawin namin.
Once matransmit, walang magagawa.
I cannot make a statement or anything because that's already thinking na may magta-transmit, di ba? Hindi natin pwedeng not even to anticipate na may magdanos. Dapat alam mo yun, when you took your oath as a member of the Senate, alam mo yun, that if ever this happens, you will be sitting as a member of the jury. You will be part of the impeachment court. Alam mo yun. So, it's just there.
Sir,
Nothing special today or anything. As a senator, when you wake up in the morning, when you do your job every single day, alam mo yun, na parte ng trabaho mo yun. Na if it comes, it will come.
Sir, kahit naka-adjourn, pwede kayo mag-hear?
Mahirap again na isipin na mayroong mangyayaring ganyan, no? Mahirap. But again, as I mentioned earlier, we're ready, we're prepared kung ano man yung hinihingi sa amin ng aming tungkulin bilang mga miyembro ng Senado.